So you might be having this weird situation where for some reason you keep getting this iMessage waiting for activation little pop-up that comes up every once in a while. Now, the reason why this is happening is because there's one of several things that could be going on, and Apple gave us a great little breakdown of exactly how to do this. So the first thing they recommend doing is making sure that you have some sort of signal or Wi-Fi on your device. So double check your internet connection, your Wi-Fi connection, your cell connection, anything like that, and make sure that you have a proper internet connection set up. Because if it is not set up properly, that is basically going to be the issue here. So make sure that's the case. Now, as long as you have that, you probably will be good to go, and we can probably skip these specific settings. Now, they also recommend your date and time settings are properly set up and they're not in a different region than where you are. I've actually had this problem before, and this is exactly how it fixed it. So I would go into my general settings right here. I would go into date and time, which is right here. And I would either have it set to automatically, or I would make sure my time zone and my time is properly exactly where I'm at in real time. So if I go and take a look at my watch or look at whatever clock around me, make sure the time is set up, but you could also just set automatically, and that's going to automatically change the time to exactly where you are. So that is exactly what you want to do, and that's exactly what fixed it for me. Now, another thing Apple recommends doing it is basically going through and disabling both your FaceTime or your iMessage. And this is another thing you can try doing as well. So make your way back into your settings like this. You then want to go ahead and go down into your iMessage. So scroll down into messages right here. And then what you can do is go ahead and this toggle right here where it says iMessage, go ahead and toggle this off, then go and toggle it on. And that's another thing you can do to go ahead and fix this problem as well. Now, if that's still not working, another thing you can do besides restarting your phone is by going through into your general settings right here, go and click on software update, and go ahead and just update your phone. If you have an update available on your iPhone, simply just going through and updating it can possibly fix the problem too, and that might be all you have to do there. So in terms of that, that kind of covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.